Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of technology and exploring the importance of ChatGPT, focusing on its latest updates, using tips, and providing a professional tutorial. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT, the AI-powered chatbot that's taking the world by storm. This revolutionary tool is changing the way we interact with technology, and its latest updates are truly impressive. From improved language models to enhanced conversational capabilities, ChatGPT is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of AI. Now, let's dive into some using tips. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, these tips will help you get the most out of ChatGPT. From understanding how to ask the right questions to learning how to use the tool's advanced features, these tips will have you feeling like a ChatGPT pro in no time. Next up, we'll provide a professional tutorial on how to use ChatGPT effectively. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or just someone who's interested in the latest tech trends, this tutorial will give you the skills you need to harness the power of ChatGPT. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this tech-focused episode, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content in the future. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.